So hi, what I have in front of me is DDJ-1000 and this right cannon is not working, so let's see what we can do about it, right? There are tons of screws as per usual, so let's try to unscrew this thing and let's see whether this thing will be an easy repair or not. You can tell right away this thing feels like shitty plastic. I do wonder if once in a lifetime I'll have like an easy repair. I'll press X to doubt, but okay. Of course not. Okay, now where is the cannon located? It's in here. And of course I have to remove every single here. Okay, so these three screws need to be removed, and this one as well. This is the white one, and another black one, and another white one, and another black one. Tons of screws already. One of them is actually small, so tons of screws in here as well. Okay, the way I see it, 3 screws. So all of these flat cables need to be unfortunately removed. So press it, you pull this one up, this one you press down, this one up, this one down, this one down, down as well, down as well, up, all types of connectors, up, you pull this one out, yes, and this one out as well, okay. And now I need to unscrew these 4 screws as well, so let's see. I mean, after that Numark I repaired today, this thing should be easy peasy. There are 4 screws in here. This thing as well, 2 screws, one black, one gold, the gold one is in here, okay. Okay, what else? Okay, so 2 cables in here, also 2. I think that's it. Okay, come on, get out. Okay, and this one. And of course, of course, you know, why am I not surprised about this thing? So anyway, let me move the console so that we can actually work, right? So I'm back, and okay, I'll try to remove only these 2 screws, and we'll see, and this one as well, and this one and this one. Oh boy. Fine. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 of these, because yeah. And I think that my neighbor is waiting for me to start recording something so that we can start its blower. Now let's see. I'm going to take a photo and zoom in a bit because this thing is a micro fracture. And I'll use a bit of flux, just a bit. And here it's not necessary because the solder has flux in it, but why not? Okay. Okay. I think that this thing should actually be it. Now I'm gonna assemble it and test it. By the way, this Pioneer is way too expensive. I only have like 2 chips and nothing more. Oh well. And these two actually go in here. So I will be connecting this white cable because it goes inside. Let's put everything back, I guess. This power button actually goes like this. It's very easy to put it in, and here underneath there is a connector which you basically just push in and until it clicks. Okay. And that is basically for everything. There is one in here that you push in. This one you lift up and press it down. This one you just push in and press it in. This one push it in and press it in. This one you lift up, push it in, press it in. These two you just press in. Okay. Press it in, push it in, press it in, push it in, press it in, lift up, push down, press it in, press it in, okay, press up, push in, press down. Basically that is it. All I have to do is screw all of these screws. So these 4 silver screws go in here. So I think all I now need to do is put this thing back. And basically that is it. And the silver one, and I think that we are actually good. I think that all I need to do is screw in these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and we are good. Awesome. And basically that is it. This was an easy repair, or easier I would say. Now this thing, now I have to screw everything back in. The cool thing about this screwdriver is basically all you need to do is press it down and it will start screwing in. Kind of cool. Okay. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, you can always click thumbs up. If you did not, you know what to do. And yeah, these faders are yeah, full bar. Well, anyway, until the next time. Cheers.